Good morning from the top of Monument Peak here in Mount Laguna. We are waiting for the sunrise and it's coming. It's coming. Red ball. Straight that way. You guys can see it here on the GoPro. This video is going to be much more of a vlog style. Do some landscape photography. We'll go through some tips on what I'm looking for. Again, I've said this many times, but one of the biggest advantages that you can have as a landscape photographer is to visit these places, you know, as much as you can. I know, because I've been to Garnet, which is just a little bit that way, I know exactly where the sun's coming up. I know which parts of these hills will light up at certain periods. So I kind of have an idea of where and at what time I'm gonna shoot. And that's always, again, a huge advantage when you're doing landscape photography. The biggest mistake that I see a lot of people do, that I meet, I did this a lot when I first started too, is I'll get to a location and I'll start just shooting away. Shoot here, shoot there, shoot. And then what happens is I get home and I look at some of these photos and I go, I don't see a focal point. Like, what's the point of this photo? Or this photo's nice, but the lighting was actually better later. And it's one of those things where as a photographer, when you first start out, you're very focused on like, I gotta get somewhere nice and then just shoot away. As opposed to, you get somewhere a little bit early and you take the time to set up and find your proper frame composition. You know, what's gonna be my rule of thirds? What's my foreground, my midground, my background? Is there a foreground, right? Maybe there isn't such foreground and you don't have to like put it out of focus as much. Maybe the lighting's better a certain way. Study a little bit these places, take your time, and when you get there, focus on framing your shot and then start shooting. I see spots of rain. It's really amazing right now. I'm gonna show you guys. Got some really nice kind of pink clouds going over there. See some rain straight ahead there. Some rain straight ahead there. And we can see the fireball coming up right over there. All right, let's get shooting.